Okay, now for the next one, 23 lakh 30,000 and 10. So 23 lakh, okay, that is 30,000. Okay, so you don't have anything in 1000's place. Do you have anything in the hundreds place? No. Do you have anything in tens place? Yes. Do you have anything in ones place? No. So here you will write the number like this: 23 lakh 30,000 and 10. Okay, and third question, we have some numbers. We have to place the commas and write the number names according to the Indian system of numeration. Okay, I will place the commas: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. Tarun, can you tell me the number name of this?
8 crore 75 lakh 95,762.
Yeah, very good. So I'll write the number name. You just check, okay, whether I'm writing properly. Eight crores. $25 lakhs. Okay, 95,000. $700. $62. Have I written properly, Tarun?
Yeah.
8 crores, 75 lakhs, 95,762. Sorry for the bad handwriting. Okay, I'm not able to write properly on the board. On the paper, my handwriting is really good. Okay. Next number. I'll first place the commas. Okay. Now, can you tell me the number name, Tarun?
85 lakhs 46,283.
Very good. $85 lakhs. $46,200. Okay. The next number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crores. Can you tell me the number name?
9 crores 99 lakhs
Okay.
46.
Very good. See, we have zeros here, right? So we don't have to tell that. So we can just say 9 crores 99 lakhs 46. Okay. One more. Yes, Tarun?
9 crores
Yeah.
84 lakhs 32,701.
Yay, very good. 9 crores. $84 lakhs. $32,000. $700. One. Okay. Okay. The fourth one is we have to place the commas and write the number names in international system of numeration. The previous sum was Indian system of numeration. Now we are going to write the number names in international system of numeration. Yes, can you tell me the number name, Tarun?
78,921,092.
Okay. $78,921,000. 92. Children, as I work out the problems, I want you also to take a notebook and a pen and do along with me. Okay, just don't just keep watching the video. It will be useful for you only if you work out the problems along with me. Okay. Okay, the next one. Yes, Tarun.
7,452,283.
Okay. $7,452,283. Okay.
99,985,102.
Very good. $99,000,000. Okay, tell me.
48,049,831.
Okay, very good. I hope you all liked my video today and understood exercise 1.1. Our next video will be exercise 1.2. It is about operations with numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We have some word problems, but they are very simple. Okay, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you like my videos, give a
Big thumbs up.
yeah, and please share my videos to your friends. Okay, and click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. See you in our next video. Bye.